German sausage in the barbecue box in Spain. Okay, make some hummus, Bratwurst, hot dog. Use some mayonnaise. Brats. Mustard, and some Heinz. So, yes, no relish. Okay, hot dog. What? Oh, not as bad as I expected. I mean, the brats come from Germany, they are made, but I almost positive they have changed the taste so it will fit the Spanish market. I remember I tried some brats or German Bratwurst in California, and that was a lot different from what I was used to. But they work. I would love to make myself or my own sausage over here, but I didn't bring my equipment. Next time I'm come down here, I will take that with me. Gonna make some sausages down here. Okay.